In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can create short clip videos from movies, which I'm going to call it as recapped movies, and upload on our Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or even that of our TikTok. We're going to see how we can create all of these, and then it is very much possible for us to create this and upload it on all social media, and we are going to still have a good number of views. Now, most of you must have been scrolling through Facebook and you must have seen videos, and you might be wondering, how did they actually create this kind of videos and upload on social media? I'm going to show you the step by step on how you can do just that. All right, so first thing first, we need to think of a movie we want to create. Now, we cannot just jump in and creating any kind of movies. You see, maybe we just saw a movie and then we just want to recap this movie and upload. No. Now, these are things we need to consider. First, we need to check the movie. It is very much important for us to upload movies, or it is better for us to upload movies that are old movies. If you should upload recent movie, people will be like, I've watched this movie, and they'll skip. But when you upload old movies, they must have not seen it, or even if they have, they say, I must have watched this movie, but it's been a while, and then it will move them to go ahead and watching the recap. Now, that is why recap is also important, because those who do not want to sit and watch a movie they have watched, they will just prefer to go for the recap. All right, so we are going to see how we can create this, and then we'll continue. Like I said, we're going to be picking a movie, an old movie, to recap. Now, the movie I have chosen is this, Karate Kid. Now, this movie was created 2010. It's an action movie. So this is the movie I want to recap. When you want to recap a movie, the first thing you need to do is to download the movie. After you've downloaded the movie, the next thing is the synopsis. You get the synopsis, then we make use of our voiceover, and then we'll be joining the movie. And also remember, any movie you're recapping, you must make sure that you must have watched that movie so that you can understand it. It is more better if you have watched that movie, and so when you are recreating it, it will be more easier for you. All right, so we'll be going with Karate Kid. Now, we want to download the movie. When you want to download the movie, you can go to Net Ninja to download the movie. So that is where I actually downloaded this Karate Kid, and then I can go ahead and click on my download to download this Karate Kid. Then after I am done downloading it, the next thing I want to go ahead to get is the synopsis. Now, how can I get the synopsis? I will come up here to my Google, and then I'll search for Karate Kid synopsis. Now, this is it here, the Karate Kid plot. I'll click on this one here. Now, here it's going to give me the summary and that of the synopsis. This is the summary here. I'm just going to scroll down, and then I'll find the synopsis here. Now, when I have gotten my synopsis, what I need to do is to copy my synopsis. Don't worry, we are not going to be using exactly what we find here. We are going to be rephrasing them, and then we have an AI website that is going to be helping us in rephrasing this. So what I'm just going to do is to copy this first. After you've copied it, you move over to your notepad here. You click on this, and then you paste it here. This is it here. So what I just want to do now is to rephrase all of this. How can I rephrase this? All you just simply need to do is to go to quillbot.com. It is actually free, but they also have the paid version. Now, if you're using the free version, you just need to be uploading your text little by little. So this is what I'll do. I will highlight this one here. I'll copy it. Then I'll move to my Chrome here, and then I paste it here. Now, when I paste it, I'll click on paraphrase. So this is it here. It has actually rephrased this. So what I'm going to do is to copy it. I'll move back to my notepad, and then I'll replace it with this. Ctrl V. It's going to replace it with this one. Now I am done with this. I can go ahead and doing the next one. So this is just how I'm going to be doing all of this. Then anywhere I find something like this in the brackets, I can do well to remove it. So you can continue for this down to the end. Now, when you're done with this, the next thing you need to do now is to move over to your Clipchamp. Now, using your laptop in doing this is more easier than when you're using your phone, because we are going to be making use of Clipchamp, where you get to use a voiceover for free on Clipchamp. But if you want to install Clipchamp on your phone, or trying to do, in fact, all of this, trying to do it on your phone, is going to be way more difficult for you. So I'll move over to my Clipchamp, open it. Then instead of importing, I will come over to record and create first, because I want to make use of my voiceover. Then I'll click on text to speech. Text to speech, this pops out, and then it gives me a box where I have to put in my text. Now, you do not need to pack in so much text here. You just need to take it little by little. Here is the language, and here is the voice. I'm using English. You can change the language for your voiceover, use anyone. If you are from countries that speak Spanish, French, and all of that, you can change it right here. And then the voiceover, I can use any one of my choice here. So let's say I want to use Andrew here. I can play it and listen to the voice.
Choose from a variety of voices to help.
All right, so now I'm just trying to pick a voice that will fit to what I do watch on Facebook when I see recap movie that other people are uploading on their Facebook and getting good number of views. Now on my text here, I'll just go to my notepad where I saved my text. I will copy it. Let's say I want to just copy this. When I copy it, I'll move back to my Clipchamp here and then I paste it right here and click on save. When you've gotten your voiceover, the next thing you need to insert should be your video. Now, inserting your video is going to be very, very long. So that is why I told you from the start that you need to make sure you must have watched the video first before you try to recap it into short clips. Now, you just need to try to make sure that the video is about maybe 5 to 7 minutes long. Yes, 5 to 7 minutes long. So at least when you upload it on Facebook, it's going to increase your watch time. And also when you upload it on your YouTube, it's also going to be helping in that. I'm not saying you cannot make it a minute or two, but I'm just trying to explain to you based on if you want to make your money on YouTube or that of Facebook. All right. So after you've inserted your voiceover and then your video, what you should also take note of now is this. Now, you need to take your time to follow exactly what they're saying so it fits with what you are saying on your video. Now, you need to turn off the audio for the original, which is the original sound. You need to turn it off and then you're making use of your voiceover, and then the background music you can add, it should be from YouTube Studio. Now, inserting a background music from YouTube Studio will also help without you having any copyright or even that of copyright strike. And then when you're editing your video, now this is very, very important. This is the most crucial part when editing your video for your short clip. Now, most people, they prefer to put in their video, a video like maybe screen record themselves, or while watching the video, then they are showing their face in it, maybe down somewhere down here. It can be here, and then they watch the video, and that is when you can make use of maybe the whole sound and all of that in the video. All right. Why others, they may prefer to follow this same process I'm trying to share with you because they do not want to show their face. Then when you're putting in this now, you need to make sure that every single clip or every single part or scene of the video does not exceed more than 4 seconds. Yes, does not exceed more than 4 seconds. Now, this is what I mean. Take for instance, this part is being played here. Now, you see this, it should quickly change to another scene within 4 seconds. It should quickly change. You see this? If you notice this, it is not getting up to 4 seconds and it is changing immediately. So that is number one step into it. Another one is you need to try to make sure you flip the videos. Yes, flipping it is also very, very important. Now, the part that is necessary for you to flip, you can do well to flip it. And then also try to adjust the colors. All of this is actually going to be helping, especially on YouTube. These major steps is especially for YouTube because YouTube can actually take note of it when you upload a movie, and also they can choose that, okay, this particular channel, we are bringing it down, or you might have copyright strike. So now this step that I've showed you is very, very important. You need to take note of that. Every single clip or every single scene rather that you are inserting, it should not be more than 4 seconds, and then you can do how to change it to another scene, or if possible, change it to the previous scene and bring it back to the scene that you are discussing about. So this is just how you can do all of this, and then you can add your background music. Like I said, get it from YouTube Studio. If you don't know how to get it, I'm going to be dropping the link in the description. All you have to do is go there and get it. All right, guys, so this is just the major step, and then you can go ahead and uploading it on your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, or wheresoever you wish to upload it. But this is majorly on Facebook. You can do well to also add in your name if you wish to add yours. Then, as you can see this here, why others might do well not to have. And also, you can decide to add an intro. This is my intro here. I just prefer to put in the name of the movie before the movie starts. All right, so this is just the simple step on how you can actually create short clip videos for your Facebook, your Instagram, your YouTube, and all of that. And then you can go ahead in uploading it. So if you have any question, I'd like you guys to come over to the comment section and say you have a question, and then you can do also ask a question. I'll be dropping the answer quickly. Or you can do also move over to my email, learndigitalskills1@gmail.com, and then you can drop any of your questions. I'll be delightful to get back to you. Like I said, Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification, because I'll be dropping more and more clips, tips, and hacks that can help you in learning a digital skill. Alright guys, so I'll see you in our next video, and in my next video I'm going to show you how you can create kids animation videos for free. See you guys in our next video.